Then we have custom PV installations, some unique type of installations, and every one of them will have its own mounting technique. We can see parking lots. The one at the top is a traditional parking lot, just like it's a ground mounting. We can see nothing special about it, a structure, panels in an angle. The shadow is in strips, and the strips allows ventilation. The area underneath and the fact that there is a distance between one row and another, meaning there can be air flowing through from underneath, from within this heat pocket, going out, and from the outside going in. So the fact that we have stripes of shadows, meaning the entire system can breathe. It's not the case with the two bottom pictures. Partially, the solution is on the left one. There are three sections. There is a distance between one section to another. We're talking about the picture on the left bottom. And within this space between one segment and another, air can flow through from the heat pocket, go up, from the outside go in. So although it's fully covered, that space between the segment allow airs to flow down, eliminating the fact of the issue of the heat pocket. Same idea with the other one, the one on the right bottom corner, but it's a different format, different structure. It's a mechanical structure, but allows air to flow.